Hello, welcome back. Well, in this video, you'll be learning a step-by-step process on how to add music to your post on Facebook. You see, this method works on all browsing mobile. So the first step is to log into your Facebook account or to tap on your Facebook app on your phone. Now, the second step is to tap on the status bar or the post section on the top corner of your Facebook homepage. Among the options you'll be given the photo/video option. Now select it. You'll be given different videos and photos on your phone that you can select from. So now I'll be selecting on one. Now I'll be given the choose effect option. I don't want to add an effect, so I'll just cancel it. Now if you look at the left corner of your screen, you'll be seeing the edit option. Just select it. Now at the top of your screen, you'll be seeing different icons, different options. Now because we want to add music to this post on Facebook, we'll be selecting the music icon on the top of the screen. You'll be given a list of different songs that you could add to your post on Facebook. Now I have a particular song in mind, so I'll be typing Running by Chike. Now I've been given that music option. I'll select on it. Now the next thing you'll be seeing on your screen are different options on how you want the lyrics to come out on your screen. Now you could decide to change the way the lyrics will appear on your screen. You could even decide to change the color of the lyrics on your screen. Now I want it to appear in black color, so I'll select black. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll be seeing the done option. If you select it, you will then select the done at the bottom of your screen. Just watch me. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be seeing the post option. Select it. Now you see you've added music to that post on Facebook and is already posting. I hope this step-by-step process was helpful. Now if you found it helpful and you love more helpful tips, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.